I want you to imagine for a minute with me. You have a presentation coming up. Let's say it's inside the company where you work, and you get on stage, and it's going pretty good. So far, so good. You get through your introduction. You're a little bit nervous, but it's going great. And then midway, you think, I forgot to tell them something 5 minutes ago. Whatever. I'm sure all of you can imagine either that's happened to you or you can't imagine it. The thing is this happens to even the best speakers in the world. The difference is, though, is that they pedal faster. And that's what I'm going to want you to do. When your presentation, when you're having a hard time, pedal faster. Now, what do I mean by that? When you're learning how to ride a bike as a child, how do they do it? First you get the training wheels, then the training wheels come off, and then it's just you and the bike, and they put you on and they give you a little push, and now you're going. And it's the same thing on stage. You're going, everything's great, but when you start to wobble on the bike, you could do one of two things. One is you can stop, overanalyze, you're like, oh, hey, I'm wobbling, tell everybody, and then fall over, or you can pedal faster. And so when you're on stage and you start to think, you know what, I forgot to mention something earlier, that's fine, keep going. Let the audience ask at the end. If they really want to know, they'll raise their hand, say, excuse me. Likewise, same thing if you forget the right word in English, if you're a non-native speaker, just keep going to the next thing. The thing is that's what their audience will remember at the end, is somebody that just had a really smooth presentation. So the next time you feel you losing your steam, keep your momentum, pedal faster, and you'll get to the end of your presentation successfully.